Hey guys, Jared Control Pair Munitions with another BattlBox Mission video. Alright guys, Jared again from Control Pair Munitions. I got Mission 90 here from BattlBox. Just got this a few days ago. I've been really excited about opening it up. And we're doing it a little differently. We're doing it outdoors again, but we have more trees this time. Last time we did it outdoors, it wasn't as many trees, so it's awesome. If you have not been out to this campground, I'm going to have to put the campground coordinates in the description down below. It is up on Mormon Road in the Desert Wildlife Refuge Center thing that we've made a couple videos out here before already. So with that, let's go ahead and open up the box. Alright, just like every battle box, we get the little mission briefing. This is at a different level, so I can actually see everything in here this time. Usually it's up here a little bit, and I'm gravity challenged, so I don't really get to see everything as much as normal. So, well, I guess average people. I don't know if I'm average height. Probably above average in China. Yes, so we're going with that. Mission 90, battle box briefing. Like usual, we're going to start off with the basic box. In this one, there's going to be 3 items in the basic box. I was looking up to see what the prices were for the boxes, and I did get that information, and I will put that in the description down below, as I never do that, and I always say I am going to. I was able to find it, so good stuff. The first thing in this one is called the ATWOOD Rope Mini TRD Micro Cord Dispenser. That was a mouthful. It is $13 on their website, and it's just another form of cordage. So a lot of us that go out camping and bushcrafting and do a bunch of stuff outdoors, or prepare, or whatever, we have a lot of cordage. I know I have several hundred feet of paracord underneath the back seat of the Jeep right now. So here's another thing, and it's 125 feet of it. It is rated up to 100 pounds, so it's not going to be as strong as paracord being 550 feet or 550 pounds worth, or even like the 1,000 or 1,100 feet stuff that you should also get. So this is pretty cool though, just to tie up stuff. If you need to tie up some of your camping equipment, whether it's your pots and pans, whether you need to just stabilize something like your tarp from the wind or whatever, this is kind of cool. And I do like the fact that it has a little dispenser. So I'm gonna open this thing up. It's adult proof. Not really sure I'm an adult though. I can't open a piece of plastic. All right, so got it. So this is the cord. It is pretty cool. It is small, unlike again 550 cord or even 1100 cord. This is cord. It's almost like bank line as far as the thickness of it. They do have replaceable spools, so if you do use this, you can get a new spool for it. It has a cutter on here. You could add X amount of tension on it so you don't like and run it all out. And yes, that's what it sounds like when you spin it, in case anybody's asking. So this is pretty cool. $13. Just to have 125 feet of extra little cord. You're mostly buying, I think, the dispenser and the cutter, as you could buy cordage for cheaper, but kind of cool. So I like that. Second thing in the battle box is the Charlotte's Web Camp or Custom Camp Organizer. So this is actually kind of neat. I'm not going to take this all apart because I'm not going to cut myself today. So this guy, it is made just for BattlBox. They do have their own versions of it, obviously, in different colors. But what they do, this is the little things. I always talk about the little things. They got the insignia on there. Oh, da, 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 da. Got to go slow because the GoPro starts getting a little weird. So it's from It's called Charlotte's Webbing, but it's from Outdoor Element. We've had a couple things from them on the BattlBox stuff. It has little slits in it. I should have stayed there. What the hell? So it has little slits in it that they were laser cut. So you could use either like these carabiners that it comes with. If you're like me and you've bought a lot of paracord that has little carabiners that you're like, I can't really use these for anything, you use those for that. The cordage that just came with, you could use that. So various things you could use that for. What it's designed to do is just kind of go between two different trees and hang up your camping equipment. So it has a picture of ideas, so like your clothes or your towel. It has a stove hanging up on here. It has a few different things. So depending on what you need to keep off the ground, you can keep it off the ground so it doesn't get dirty. So children, probably not children. So that guy on their website is $22.95. So those two together, you're looking at what, 36 bucks so far, and I want to say the basic box by itself is 34. So you already paid for the basic box just in the first two items. Kind of cool. The next thing and the last thing in the basic box, which I'm kind of looking forward to, is the TOADFISH 10-ounce tumbler. You're like, why are you looking forward to it? Because I've been wanting like one of those little Yeti tumblers for a while. Now I don't have to get one. I probably still will, but it's kind of cool little camping tumbler. I could hold cold drinks in here. I could have hot drinks in here. I could actually have hot soup if I wanted to, or whatever the hell I wanted in here. So you could do a lot of cool things with it. It does have an anti-spillage little suction cup thing on the bottom, which is kind of cool. So you could, I don't have anything smooth enough to, I'm not going to do that. So I'm not going to take off the shirt today. So it's too bright. And my YouTube channel is already failing enough as it is. So it might help though. What do you think, buddy? He's eating a tree. So Buddy's out here. If you see a little white dog running around, don't worry, he's ferocious. So kind of cool. I do like it because again, it is a little small tumbler. I don't have a little coffee cup tumbler, and I've been wanting one for a while. The lid is also adult proof. It is 8 ounces. I think I read that. Oh, it says 10 ounces there. It lied to me. I guess if you get to the rim, it's 10 ounces. It doesn't say that there. Anyway, so it says 8 ounces in the side, and I don't know what to believe. It is $24 on the BattlBox website. They have 3 different colors. So they have silver, which I'm glad I got, because the other color was going to be robin egg blue, and that doesn't really go well with many things of me. And then there's white, which, anyway, so I'm glad I got silver. Pretty cool. Thanks again for that. And then with that, that's 60 bucks? 60 bucks for just the basic box. And again, basic box is $34. So pretty cool. Already paid for that and then some. The advanced box. So the advanced box has a pretty cool spot, or a pretty cool little thing in it. Buddy, what are you doing? Buddy's trying to dig to China. So, hey, what are you doing? There you go, good boy. So sorry everybody, but Buddy, he's destroying the dirt. I don't know. So the advanced box, they did supply me with this really cool water filtration bag that has the P&G water purifier kit stuff with it. So it's called the PURIBAG. So you get a whole bunch of different tablets on it. This is all over TikTok and all over YouTube that he did a video on. I want to say the video was about 20 minutes long. I'm going to put the card for the video wherever it shows up, right about here. And it's going to show you how to use this thing. This thing is pretty cool. So he does it with this dirty ass mud hole in the middle of nowhere. And you can see the separation of the mud from the water and how pure and clear the water is. I thought that was really neat. I've been wanting to buy one of these, but with the cost of it being $50, it's kept me from doing that. So again, it does come with the purification tablets for that in the bag. Definitely recommend checking out that video that they did, because it does show how to use it, and it is pretty neat. And I'm in a place that doesn't really have any water to show you that. Didn't think about that when I came out here. But, you know, hey, little things. So that's the advanced box. With the advanced box and the basic box together, that's $110. I don't remember what the advanced box is, but again, I'm going to have the prices down below. The next part is the Pro Box. In the Pro Box, you get two different things, which is kind of cool. You get the TOADFISH, so you get the TOADFISH tumbler, right? And then we get the TOADFISH stowaway fillet system. Oh, I failed English. So fillet system. So it is a fillet knife, not a fillet, for you other uneducated people like me. So it is a fillet knife. This is to fillet fish. He does also, in the Mission 90 briefing that he does, he shows them using this off of the coast in the Atlantic Ocean somewhere, where a guy is a professional fisherman, uses this thing all day long. It stays sharp the whole way through. You do get a lot of flex with that fillet, so that's exactly what you want. You want a lot of flex with the fillet. It has a nice ergonomic grip on it. I do like that a lot. It doesn't feel like it's going to flip out of my hand or slip out of my hand, especially if I have fish or whatever. So this is pretty cool. I do also like the fact that it has a little carabiner. So if you're on a ship, or if you have tackle gear, or if you're around a lake, you know, if you've ever done any of that and you're like, I have so much stuff, how can I hold on to this? So this, at least you can clip onto something like your bag, part of the ship or whatever too. So that's kind of cool. Or even like a cleaning area. So if you've ever been to a lake, they have the little cleaning area, the little cleaning sinks and different stuff. You can hang that up there. So that part's definitely pretty cool. All right, GoPro overheated like usual. It is 70-ish degrees and there's a breeze, and I didn't think it was going to overheat up here. I was wrong. So I let it sit in the AC for a few moments. I don't know where we left off, but I was talking about how much I like on there. You have it's a two-stage sharpener. So you have your carbide, which is a coarse one, and a ceramic, which is fine. It does have an anti-skid bottom. So they also were using this on the ship as well to cut fish up with, and this was not sliding anywhere. So that's pretty cool. This combo, it's also foldable, goes in your bag or whatever too. This combo, yeah, for the Pro Box is $106. So we were at 110, now we're at 216. So 216 just for up to the Pro Box part. And I haven't gotten to the Pro Plus yet, which is what I usually get. And that has the usually the knife of the month. And I pay about $190 with shipping. Sorry, I just saw the lid to my little TOADFISH thing and it was in the box. I was wondering why there wasn't a little lid for this hole. It was in the box. So good stuff. Squirrel. And the other cool part about that TOADFISH kit, so not only do you get a cutting board and a cool knife, you get a neoprene little holder doodad. So I'll put this guy in here. I'm just gonna stow it away. It's called the stowaway. Huh? So we're gonna stow it away in my neoprene, which just feels like it's made out of the same material like wetsuits are. You ask, how do you know that? You live in the desert. Well, because I used to surf and stuff. Well, believe it or not, I know I'm fat, but it was once happened. So that's how it would look, and now you can keep both of them in a nice little case. slippery. It is lightweight though, which is nice. Dinner, nice little dinner knife, which some people are like, why do you have a dinner knife? Why don't you? So this knife is $109. So give you guys a close up of that. My little Vanna White. Yes, I should put like music in there instead of me talking or doing my little thing. So that is really pretty. All that right there. Nice little thumb spot. Just a little nice little knife. A nice little carry knife. I like the little accents on it too. Really pretty. Very smooth. Very, very smooth knife. So when I watched the Mission 90 video, it looked like it was going to be a little bit more textured. You can feel the carbon fiber, but it is slippery. So again, this is going to be a nicer knife, just a little carry knife, a little EDC knife. So with that, let's see here. We're at $322. So for all the stuff that came in this box, I paid $190 with shipping. That's every month, and I always get stuff that is more than I'm paying for, which is awesome. If you guys are looking into BattlBox, always check the links down below. If you have questions about BattlBox, you guys want to see the stuff that are in the battle boxes. I usually have a bunch of stuff with me at all times, or even at the shop. I do use this stuff regularly. I do plan on coming out to a place like this again and doing more testing videos. So some of the other stuff that I got from the battle boxes, or stuff that I've gotten from the promo codes, to add on to some of the stuff from the battle boxes, so we could test all that stuff out and you know that it actually works or not. I hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Hit the little bell, little button thingy on the bottom corner. Get outdoors, guys. Summer's almost over. It's August 9th. So a few more weeks, man. We're not gonna have summer anymore. It's gonna get colder up here. You know, get out, enjoy the weekend, go with your family. School's just started for most of you guys. Some of you guys don't start for like another week or so. I go back in like 2 or so. So I'm gonna try to enjoy this as much as I can until all the craziness starts. Thanks again, guys. Be safe. Enjoy the outdoors. See you guys later.